What up? This is Double D and the place to be. Today, that place is my backyard. And yesterday I was thinking about my friend Ravi because I had made some black eyed peas. I didn't really make them all the way. I just kind of cooked them, took them from the dry stage and cooked them. And I was trying to figure out what kind of flavor I was going to make from them. And I thought about my friend Ravi. He used to have these dinner parties on Sundays. And he would make all this beautiful food. And we'd play Scrabble and dominoes and drink lots of beer. And it was just a wonderful time. But for years, I'd always try to figure out how he made those black eyed peas. So lately, I've been up on my curry game. And I figured it out. So yesterday, I went to visit a friend of mine. And I said, I'm going to bring some dinner. And brought these black eyed peas over. And they were delicious. I recorded how I made them so you could see them. And midway through it, I realized that I needed to go to the Indian market, India Sweets and Spices. And I had to get some chutney and some pickle. Because when you eat the black eyed peas, you have all these different flavors going on in like one bowl. So you know, your rice, your black eyed peas, you have some raita, which I make too. I'm going to show you how I made the raita. And then you have some chutney and some pickle, raita, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But I did it yesterday, and it came out pretty well. So here's the video. One love. When making the raita, make sure you make it a day ahead of time because the flavors really come together after it's set for 24 hours. Or, you know, if you make it, just at least give yourself a couple hours before you serve it. In hindsight, it'd probably be a good time to make it when you first soak your black eyed peas. Unless, you know, you're making it for New Year's Day, and then they're probably fresh in the market, but this is summertime. You see, those herbs and these spices need time to get together, to know each other, and get in that yogurt with that cucumber and that green onion and turn it into a real party. Salt, don't forget to add your salt. I'm telling you, it's like adding liquor to the mix. It makes it a party. You gotta get the spice right. You see, this is extra hot chili powder. No joke. I'm gonna put just a little bit in here. And let me tell you, the black eyed peas were still spicy. Watch how little I put in here. Look. It ain't even that much. Alright, so get your spice right. Alright, let's make Ravi's black eyed peas, or what I think is Ravi's black eyed peas. Start off and chop some garlic, then some ginger, and I'm going to chop that onion. Make a little trinity of herb roots just to get that strong flavor going. And then, there we go. Chop that onion. Zip, zip, zip. And then I'm going to put some veg in it. So I have carrots and potatoes. That's what I got. So I'm going to dice these carrots up. I'm going gonna dice up some potatoes. You can use green beans, cauliflower. You can use whatever you want to throw extra in there. This is what I have, so this is what I'm using. Okay, let's start cooking. Start with the oil. Make sure the pan is hot. I'm gonna add some black mustard seeds. Look at them jump. Pop, 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 pop. All right, get that going. Then I'm gonna mix in my onions. I'm gonna saute these until they're a little, transparent-ish. Okay, right now we're about to get into two very crucial steps when making a curry. You gotta cook your spices. You gotta mix them in there. You got them going with the onions and the ginger and all that. So you wanna cook them, and that begins to open them up and really get the flavors going and dancing. It's the party. We're building something great here. You really want to stay with your pan during this. You want to keep moving and not letting it stick, because you don't want it to burn, because if it burns, it's going to get bitter. So you don't want that. And here's the next crucial step, is the tomato paste. Keep it moving. You don't want it to burn. It's probably a good idea to have all your ingredients together, because this part goes really fast after you get this going, once you start sauteing everything. Okay, I'm gonna get everything mixed together here, and then I have to run off to the store to go get the pickle and the chutney, and then pack everything up and go off to my friends. But this process here takes about 2 hours.